Hey, Linda Shelley. All right. Just a few things that you need to pull up first. I sent hold on, I sent the link, like this link right here that you're looking at, it's in your email. I'm assuming all of the RSA things, or they call them IPRI, whatever. I'm going to call them RSA because that's what my brain is used to calling them. But this is where all of mine are, and I'm assuming it's everybody's. I don't know. So if you can't find yours, tell me because I can try to help you get that, or you can ask your commander in charge. All you would say is, do you have the link, the SharePoint link for the IPRI documents? That's all you would need to ask for the beginning of the year IPRI documents. That's all you'd have to ask, and they would shoot you a link. But it's in SharePoint somewhere, but I'm pretty sure this is it. Anyway, so you need this pulled up. You need your list of RSA kids. I don't have those kids. You're going to have to get those. I'm assuming you already know who they are. And then what I would do is I'm going to show you my desktop. Don't forget the amount of stuff on there. I would make a folder right here, and I would label it to where you obviously know, okay, I'm not fully awake yet. I haven't had all my coffee. So obviously label your folder. But when you download these, that's where you just need to immediately put them into. Okay. All right. So then I'm back over here. You have your list of kids. You've got your folder ready to roll. So you just find one and you have to go through all of them. There's not a different way. There's not an easier way. Yes, I'm dead serious. So you just do, and I'm not going to try to find one of mine because this is kind of a tedious process. So just heads up. Hold on a second. I can't remember if you right click. Yes. Come over to the three little dots and you right click. And then once you right click, you come down to download. And then it's going to download. And then I thought it was going to pop up. Once you download it, you're going to save it. Oh my God, sorry. You're going to save it to your desktop. You're going to find a long story about why I'm asking this or looking for this really fast. It erased everything that I had done earlier. Anyway, so you're going to save it in there. And so that one's in there. Okay. Hey, this is one of mine, actually. My old one's from last year. Okay. So, now you have that downloaded. So now when you, talk to the parent, so that's basically it. Now it's downloaded, it's on your computer, and you're ready to go. So then you're going to pull that up. Oh my God, everything keeps coming over here on this one. Okay, this is the downloaded thing. You are going to, sorry, I was looking at his, see where he was. Hey, him. Okay. So then you're going to come down here and you're going to sign. You will sign, just type the parent's name. Okay, first of all, put the conference date when you did it. Put the parent's name. I know you're not an idiot. I know you know this, but I'm just going through. And then put your name. And then you're going to come down here and sign this as, this is you. Hold on. Oh yeah, sorry. This is going to be you. Yep. So sign right here. Oh my gosh, seriously. I haven't done these yet and I'm having to remember. Sign you're a teacher and then put today's date. Okay, you do all that through Adobe. So let me know if you need help knowing how to do that. Again, I know you're not an idiot, but that can be kind of confusing as well. So if you need help knowing how to do that, tell me and I'll make you a video on that. And then once you're done, you just save this, resave this back to your folder that you've got made on your desktop. And so now they're all in there. And then once you have them, then you're going to have to turn them back in, like upload them to SharePoint. Okay. So once you're done, let's see if I can come back here. Yeah. If you need help doing that part of it, let me know. Because basically, I think it's a different link that we have to put in there, or that we have to go to. So anyway, if you need help uploading, let me know, because I can make you a video for that. If you need help knowing how to sign them, let me know that as well, okay? I'm sorry, this video was kind of ADD and whatever. I was early and I haven't had my coffee. Bye, Linda Shelley.